everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Ford Edge. Ford's midsize SUV has been a popular choice for families and adventurers for years, but for 2025, it's received a significant makeover. Let's see if the Edge can stay ahead of the curve. First up, the look. The 2025 Edge ditches the familiar silhouette for a bolder, more sculpted design. We're talking a wider stance, a more prominent grille, and a sleek floating roof effect. It definitely makes a statement on the road. Now, climb in and you're greeted by a modern, driver-centric cabin. The big news here is the massive 27-inch touchscreen dominating the center console. It controls most car functions, and while it might look intimidating at first, Ford says the interface is intuitive and easy to learn. Material quality feels upscale throughout, with plenty of soft-touch surfaces and comfortable seating. One of the Edge's biggest strengths has always been its spacious interior. Thankfully, that continues for 2025. Both rows offer ample legroom and headroom, making it a great choice for road trips with the whole family. Here's where things get interesting. Traditionally, the Edge offered a 2.0L turbocharged engine with decent power. But rumors suggest Ford might introduce a hybrid option for 2025. This could be a game-changer, offering better fuel economy for eco-conscious buyers without sacrificing performance. Speaking of performance, the sporty ST variant is expected to return with a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine. This should give driving enthusiasts a thrill with its impressive acceleration and sharper handling. While official specs haven't been released yet, we expect the base engine to deliver a smooth and comfortable ride, perfect for everyday commutes. The SC variant, on the other hand, will likely provide a more engaging driving experience. It should tackle winding roads with confidence and provide a satisfying amount of power. Ford is known for prioritizing safety, and the 2025 Edge is no exception. Expect a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies can help keep you safe on the road and give you peace of mind behind the wheel. So, is the 2025 Ford Edge a worthy contender in the crowded midsize SUV segment? The early signs are promising. The bold new design, spacious interior, and potential hybrid option make it a compelling choice. We'll have to wait for official specs and test drives before delivering a final verdict, but the 2025 Edge seems to be carving a new path for Ford. Thanks for joining me. Let me know what you think about the 2025 Ford Edge in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? And would you consider a hybrid option? As always, hit that subscribe button for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, happy driving!